Hey guys, so today's assignment is going to be something a little different. So what we're going to be doing today is we are going to be using the Quizizz website to create quizzes. So you are acting as the teacher and you are going to create a quiz for someone else to take over the information that you see down here. So these first two pictures that you see, this is the information that you can use on your quiz. So we have some symbol definitions and we have some values of notes and things like that. And in your quiz, you're more than welcome to use pictures and of course the information that you see here. So let's go down into these directions. Using the information above, you are going to create a Quizizz that has at least 10 questions. You're more than welcome to do more than 10, but you do need to have at least 10, so no less than that. So the first thing you need to do, number one, is go to the Quizizz website. So when you click on this link, it's going to take you directly to the Quizizz website. So this is what it's going to look like for you. So the next step is to log in. So if you have already used Quizizz before and you've already logged in and all that good stuff, so you can go ahead and just take care of that yourself. But if you've never used this before or you're not sure if you have an account or not, you're going to go ahead and click on sign up. So if you do not have an account, you're going to click on sign up. And then the next step is to click on sign up with Google. So the next thing you need to do, you'll notice that there's a few other things listed here. I'm going to use another student as an example. So if yours is listed, go ahead and click on your student Gmail if it's already there. But if it's not, you're going to add it. So I'm going to use this student for an example. Click next. It's going to ask you to log in, so you're going to go ahead and log in with your S number and 4x4. Give it a second, and then it will log you into the Quizizz account. Click continue. All right, and there we go. So the next step here is to set up your account. So you guys are at a school, you're a student. You're going to put your birth date in here. I don't know what his birthday is. I'm just going to put a random date. He's in 8th grade. All right, so then you come to this page here. So the next step here is to create a quiz. So you're going to come up here, click on create a quiz. And that's where you can start to put your quiz together. So the first thing we need to do is we need to name it. So the next step, name it Harry Potter Year 3 Quiz, and go ahead and use the arts category. It doesn't really matter what category you pick, but just put one quiz. So we're going to choose arts because it's choir. Next. And you're not going to teleport, you're going to write your own. So at this point, you have different options that you can pick. Now, the one thing I want to make sure you know is that you cannot use poll or slide. Do not use those two options. You can only use multiple choice, checkbox, fill in the blank, or open-ended, and that is listed here. So then go on and experiment to create your quiz. You can use multiple choice, checkboxes, fill in the box, or open-ended. Be sure that the answers are correct, and the only information you are using is in the pictures above, okay? So all of your answers do need to be accurate, they need to be correct, and you're only using the information up there. All right, so once you go in here, you're going to pick your question, whatever you're wanting to ask. You don't have to use this question, but you can. If you want to add pictures, you're going to Google, search up some pictures. So like you can go to Google and Google a whole no picture. Pick one you like, so we'll say this one. Save it to your computer. Then when you go over here into Quizizz, you're going to click on Media. This is how to add it. And then you're going to click here to download it. I forgot already what it was called. I think it was this one. Nope, wasn't that one. It's called Images. Delete. Let's try that again. Okay, there we go. So now we have the picture of the whole note in here. So you can also put pictures in for each of the answer options. But whatever your answer options are going to be, you're going to go ahead and type them in or put the picture in. So we're going to put some different options here. So if you already know, you know that the correct answer is 4. So make sure you put the green check mark next to the correct answer, and then you click Save. All right, so there's your first question. So once you have your first question, you're going to keep going after that. So you're going to click on New Question, check, put in the option that you want to use, and then keep going until you have 10 questions. Now, once you are finished with your entire quiz, you have all 10 questions there, you're going to click on Done. Don't worry about any of this information. The only one it's going to make you do is the grades. So go ahead and put any grade here. So like you guys, most of you are in 7th grade. So let's go ahead and put 7th grade. So who can see this quiz? Just leave that alone. So the only thing is the grades. Save. And then it will list your quiz over here. So in order to submit your assignment, so we just finished our quiz. So in order to submit the assignment, you're going to click on your quiz again. And then up here, the share button, you're going to click on that. You're going to copy that link. You're going to go back over to Schoology. Now up here for you guys, it's going to say submit assignment. Okay, mine has different students that have submitted their assignments. Don't worry about that. Yours just said submit assignment. So click on the submit assignment button. It's going to come up with a new window, and you're going to click on create, which the directions do say down here. You're going to go back into the assignment, click on submit assignment, then click on create. And then you're going to paste the URL link into that window and then submit. So that eventually it should look something like this when you submit it. So you'll notice that Ansley here has already turned hers in, and there's her little link posted in there. Okay. So once you have done that and you've done all 10 of your questions and everything is good to go, then you're done with the assignment. And when I grade it, I'll take your quiz, see if it's all correct, see if it works well, and then grade you based on that. Okay, so have fun.